Before any building rises above ground, a solid foundation must be laid below. This is the substructure, the essential part of construction that supports everything above. In this unit, we'll explore the journey from site layout to the completion of foundation work. We'll begin by understanding the difference between load-bearing and frame structures and why the layout is crucial for effective planning. Job layout acts as a blueprint, showing entry and exit points, storage areas, and temporary facilities. It ensures that resources like tools, machinery, and manpower are used efficiently, reducing waste and improving safety. Whether you're working on a mall or a highway, the type of project and available resources shape the job layout. Let's see how these early steps set the stage for successful construction. Once the layout is set, the next step is preparing the site. Site clearance involves removing vegetation, old structures, and leveling the ground. This process is more than just cleaning up, it's about creating a safe, stable base for construction. All debris and hazardous materials must be handled carefully and depressions filled and compacted. After clearance, earthwork begins. This includes excavation, moving soil, and compacting the ground. For small buildings, hand tools like spades and shovels are used, while larger projects rely on heavy machinery such as excavators and bulldozers. Proper excavation ensures the foundation sits on solid ground, with supports like timbering and strutting added if the soil is loose or trenches are deep. These steps are vital for stability and safety, setting the foundation for everything to come. The site ready, it's time to focus on foundations, the base that carries the entire building's load. Foundations are classified as shallow or deep, depending on their depth relative to width. Shallow foundations, like spread footings and raft foundations, are used when strong soil is near the surface. They distribute loads evenly, minimizing settlement and cracks. For heavier structures or weak soils, deep foundations such as piles, piers, or caissons reach down to stronger layers. Each type has its own construction method and purpose. For example, pile foundations use long columns to transfer loads, while raft foundations spread the load across a large area. Choosing the right foundation depends on soil conditions, building type, and load requirements. Getting this step right ensures the building remains safe and stable for years to come. Water can be a major challenge during foundation work, especially when the groundwater table is high or construction is near water bodies. Dewatering is the process of removing water from the soil to keep the site dry and safe. Several methods are used, such as well points, vacuum well points, and deep well systems, each suited to different soil types and depths. For underwater or high water table construction, cofferdams are built to enclose the work area and prevent water entry. These temporary barriers can be made from earth, rock, or sheet piles, and are essential for building bridges, piers, and dams. Proper dewatering and cofferdam techniques not only protect the construction site but also improve soil properties and ensure the safety of workers and structures. Construction of a substructure is a carefully planned process that lays the groundwork for any building. From job layout and site clearance to earthwork, foundation selection, and water management, each step is critical for safety, efficiency, and long-term stability. Understanding the types of foundations and the importance of proper dewatering and cofferdam techniques helps ensure that the structure above will stand strong for years. With the right knowledge and attention to detail, civil engineering students and professionals can make informed decisions and supervise construction with confidence. Remember, a strong building always starts with a solid foundation.